Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to enable bedtime reminder on YouTube app. Open YouTube app on your device. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the page. Now tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. In the settings page, tap on General Settings. As you can see, bedtime reminder is turned off. To enable it, just toggle the button next to it. A pop-up window opens up. Here, you should set the timings when the bedtime reminder should be turned on. You can find two options. Select your preferred option. If you choose Custom Schedule, you need to specify the timings for the bedtime reminder to turn on. Select the start time and end time. If this box is selected, then the bedtime reminder will be turned on only after you finish watching your favorite video during that time. Click OK to proceed. As you can see, bedtime reminder is turned on. This is how you can enable bedtime reminder on YouTube app. Thank you for watching.